my friends, welcome back to Healthy Kitchen Wizard, where we turn everyday ingredients into something magical and nourishing. Today, we're headed to the Mediterranean. We're making stuffed eggplant with chicken, aromatic spices, and a sprinkle of feta on top. Trust me, this one smells like a vacation on the Aegean Sea. So we're gonna proceed to cut the eggplant. I'm only using one eggplant, but you're welcome to use two if you're making for more people. So we have this eggplant. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. And we're gonna cut it like so. And do the same with this one. And we're gonna scoop the inside out. Now we're not gonna throw away. We're gonna be cooking these to make the filling. Got one done. Now we'll do the other one. We're gonna set this aside for a moment, and we're gonna put the eggplant in here and spray it with some olive oil. Sprinkle with a little bit of salt. And we're gonna bake this at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Now, while that's baking, we're gonna saute the chicken and get the stuffing pieces together. I wanna make these a little smaller. Okay, now I'd like to show you all my mise en place. I have crumbled feta. I have chicken, onions, tomatoes cut up, peppers. Then I have ginger, grated garlic, parsley, lemon juice, and here I have some cumin, coriander, paprika, and some chives. And of course, I have olive oil. So come over here with me. And we'll just put some olive oil in the pan. I think our pan is warm enough. And just a touch of salt. Now I'll add the garlic. And as soon as you start to smell the beautiful aroma of the garlic, I'm going to add the chicken. Adding the ginger. Want these to cook up here for a minute. Ooh, that's looking good. And it smells so aromatic. Cool. We're gonna add our peppers. And our tomatoes. Give that a nice stir. And then we'll add our eggplant pieces in there. And just let this saute for about 10 minutes so all the spices marry with all the other ingredients. We're gonna let this cook and saute for about 10 minutes. So, you know, while the eggplant is cooking, I decided to make myself a lovely cup of ginger tea. I have my ginger tea every day. Some days I add cardamom, some days I add lemongrass, you name it, cinnamon, whatever I have my fingers on. Lime leaf, not to mention. So today we have ginger tea. And this is fresh ginger that I cut up and put in here. And oh, it smells so good. So I'm just gonna have a sip of it and then we'll check on the eggplant. It's hot, but it's so, so good. Yes, this is living large here. Okay, so shall we check in on our eggplant? Let's do it. Ooh. Oh, that smells heavenly. Look at that. Now I have to be careful not to burn myself. So we're gonna take one of these out and put it over here. And then we'll do a taste test. Oh, that smells so good. The colors and the aroma and the texture of it all is just absolutely stunning. So let's, yes, it's still hot. Uh-huh. Mmm. 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 That is so delicious. The sprinkle of the lemon juice at the end, incorporated with the other aromatic spices. And I have to tell you, it is out of this world. A few things. The recipe, of course, will be at the bottom. All you have to do is hit more. And while you're there, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next video. Bye.